सुर भी देसी है और स्टाइल भी। 101.9 FM, 99.9 FM HD4 और 1490 AM। पक्का देसी, पक्का लोकल।
वेलकम बैक दोस्तों, आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो नायरा एंड दिस इज हेलो वैष्णवी लाइव शो और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट वैष्णवी, राइट। एंड ऑफ कोर्स फ्रीक्वेंसीज 99.9 FM HD4, 101.9 FM एंड 1490 AM पर आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो नायरा एंड दिस इज अ लाइव शो। और हमारे साथ है अरविंद महाजन जी। वेलकम टू द शो। कौन नहीं जानते आपको?
थैंक यू वैष्णवी।
वेरी वेलकम। एंड अरविंद महाजन जी, जिसको नहीं पता है और जो वन सेकेंड आई थिंक क्या जिनको नहीं पता है और जो जानते हैं, सो अरविंद महाजन he is a founder of AKM Investments and Safe Splash Swim School। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैंने इसको इतना गैप दे के इसलिए बोला कि सबको पता होना चाहिए कि वाटर सेफ्टी इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, जो सब लोग इग्नोर करते हैं, राइट। एंड दैट्स व्हाट ही इज हियर एंड ही हैज ब्रॉट अगेन धमाकेदार इवेंट लेके आ चुके हैं। लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था दैट यू गॉट अस शान कॉन्सर्ट जो हुआ था, आई थिंक दैट वाज द लास्ट। उसके बाद शबाना आजमी का इवेंट हुआ था। तो शान इवेंट इट वाज लाइक, वो तो एक ब्लास्ट, जैसे कि everyone were talking about it after the event. They were in that aura of शान एंड शान। आई थिंक उसके बाद भी, इवेंट के दिन तो था, उससे पहले था और उसके बाद भी लोग उसके बारे में ही बात कर रहे थे। दैट वाज द इम्पैक्ट विच यू मेड अरविंद जी। दैट्स सो गुड ऑफ यू। लाइक बहुत एक्साइट हो जाते हैं जब भी आप कोई भी कॉन्सर्ट कोई भी आर्टिस्ट को आप लेके आते हैं, तो दैट्स अमेजिंग। सो वी वांट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू। अब आप क्या लेके आ रहे हैं और हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू बी?
पहले तो थैंक्स टू द होल ऑडियंस एंड द कम्युनिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल टू ऑलवेज कम एंड enjoy the concerts which we put together. वैष्णवी, आपने खुद शान जी का इंटरव्यू किया था, प्लस आपने शबाना जी का भी इंटरव्यू किया था। हम आपके साथ थे। तो आई थिंक टॉकिंग टू दीज लेजेंड्स एंड हियरिंग देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस फ्रॉम देयर themselves, it's legendary itself. It's an experience which it's hard to forget.
Yes.
Right? और अब जो आप भी एक्सपीरियंस करने वाली हैं, अब हम ला रहे हैं शंकर महादेवन, एहसान एंड लॉय, तीनों ट्रायो जो हैं वो शहर में आने वाले हैं 3 मई 2026 संडे 5:15 PM in Raleigh Memorial Auditorium. It would be I think it will be a blast. आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे मेरे से, तो आई थिंक आप दर्शकों के लिए, अपने सुनने वालों के लिए भी पूछ लीजिए ताकि मैं सबको ही बता देता हूँ।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आप ये इवेंट बताइए। और वी ऑल नो दैट, मैंने भी काफ़ी जगह इसका फ्लायर भी देखा है एंड AKM इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इज टाइटल स्पॉन्सर फॉर दिस एंड सेफ स्प्लैश स्विम स्कूल भी इसके टाइटल स्पॉन्सर हैं। तो आप हमें इवेंट क्या है और क्या नाम है, और आपने अभी बता दिया कि कब होने वाला है, तो वी वांट मोर डिटेल्स। अगर आप बता सकते हैं कि इसका स्टाइल क्या होगा, हाउ इज द फ्लो स्टाइल इट इज कमिंग अप विद, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ। सबसे पहले तो जब आपने कहा शंकर महादेवन जी, डेफिनेटली वी वांट टू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्सर्ट दिस इज। इज इट लाइक अ रॉक, बॉलीवुड ओनली, या नाउ अभी तो ट्रेंड भजन जाम्स का चल रहा है, तो किस तरीके का कॉन्सर्ट है, व्हाट स्टाइल इट इज?
सो दिस विल बी अ प्योर Bollywood rocking concert. Shankar ji आए थे, I brought him the whole trio back in 2013 here in DPAC 13 years ago. And I think the people who attended, they still have that fresh in their memories, so a lot of people are already excited to come back to experience that and revive that memory which they had in 2013. Shankar Mahadevan did come here twice in those 13 years by himself. So he did a bhajan concert for one of the non-profit organizations here, and then he came with a Shakti group where he performed with legendary Zakir Hussain ji and John McLaurin. So there was a Carnatic and musical instrumental concert. So that was again very because Shankar ji belongs to so many genres, so when he comes and does concerts, he does different genres. This time what he's coming for, especially when Ehsan and Loy are coming, so he's performing pure Bollywood, the concert with songs from different eras, plus there will be a lot of jugalbandis because it's a band, right? So there are 15 musicians which will be on the stage along with 4 to 5 singers along with Shankar ji. So
Wow.
so it's a stage is going to be full, and there are 32 people who are coming in the troupe.
Oh my God, that's a big troop.
Yes, it's a big troupe. It's like double the size of what Shan came with. Shan people came with about 17, 18 people.
Okay.
Here we have 32 people coming. So that's and the production is huge with sound and light and all what is going to go on. It would be humongous. I think this will be probably the biggest production Triangle will see in coming future. They have seen with A.R. Rahman the production which I did back in 2010.
Oh,
so,
yes.
so A.R. Rahman Sahab has not been able to produce that kind of production. He himself said I may not be able to repeat it because he won that Oscar that time. So that was a huge 85-foot stage in PNC Arena. The concerts which I have done in last 21 years, I think this is time just flies by. I think company has gone adult now with 21 years, right? So
Congratulations for that. 21 years is not a small number. It's a lot of efforts. और दिखते भी हैं आपके efforts. सब लोग को आप जो experience दे रहे हो, I think that's something which we should talk about. कि 21 years is not so easy. It's a complete hard work and efforts which you have, and I think well organized.
thank you.
Yeah.
So in 21 years we have brought almost 69 artists in this area.
Wow.
Right, so and it has been, sometimes we feel we should hang our boots, but I think the community is all charged up. Artists keep coming, they're getting better and better, concerts are getting better and better. We are just not able to refuse these great artists and legends who are coming, who want to come to town. So this is, I think, would be an amazing concert on May 3rd in Raleigh Memorial Auditorium. Plus with every concert we raise some kind of awareness about things which are important for our community. So this time again we are raising the awareness of water safety for all, especially the adults in our Indian community. If you remember, Vaishnavi, Shan asked me on the stage that Arvindji, would you like to give some classes for trial for adults?
Yeah.
And I gave one, but then
I
he asked
remember.
then he asked for 1 month. So he gave whole 1 month of classes free for all the adults in the community, especially who were attending the concert. But believe me, nobody showed up.
Really?
Nobody showed up.
Though it was free for a month?
Free for a month. So all out of those 1,800 people, not a single person showed up for learning swimming. So अगर आपके सुनने वाले सुन रहे हैं, so I want to appeal again, because again that calls for the fact that we need to raise awareness of water safety from drowning for all our adults in the community.
Yes.
So we are still open at Sage Splash Swim School in Morrisville and Holly Springs to give them a free class, first free class, to see if they can do it, because we see people say we have phobia, we have water phobia, I have tried it, it doesn't work, my body will not do it. I'm already, मेरी उम्र निकल गई है, 35 साल के हुए हैं, कहते मेरी उम्र निकल गई है. So I think the medical community is doing very well, and they will take you to 90 to 100. So
Definitely.
So there's a lot of life to live.
Yeah, I think I have one question here, क्योंकि ना काफ़ी लोग ये भी होता है थोड़ा impression कि swimming को जाएंगे, will become dark because of the water quality. ये बहुत लोग सोचते हैं, पता है, मैंने बहुत देखा है. Why don't you go for swim classes, या क्यों नहीं करते हो swimming? You should know about it. ऐसा जब बोलते हैं तो मैंने काफ़ी, especially girls, women, मैंने देखा है उनको ये बोलते हुए. So what do you think about it? Is it like myths?
I think these are all myths. There is nothing like that. Especially अगर आप indoor pools में कर रहे हो, we have at Sage Splash Swim School heated pools at 90-degree water. Air temperature is 87 degree. It's summer out there all year long.
Yeah.
So I think I think next time we will bring some families who have actually learned, the adults who have learned together, and they send us pictures from Maldives and other coast whenever they go to beaches, that what they have learned, and they are enjoying life. So I think it's very important for parents, adults, to at least get to a level where they feel safe in the water. So that's our goal. So like I said,
Absolutely.
at your Radio Naira, I'm again inviting everybody to take one class with our instructors. और necessary ये नहीं है कि Sage Splash में सीखें, कहीं भी सीखें. Right, there are facilities out there, कहीं भी सीखें. हमारा गोल ये है कि आप सीखना शुरू करें, आगे आपको हम वहाँ ले जाएंगे. गोल हम आपका मीट करा देंगे.
Definitely. And coming back to, also like whenever you do shows, there is always a cause.
Yes.
Right. So I know that, Radio Naira is anyway supporting it, but I also want to know like who all are supporting, like what kind of organizations are supporting this event.
So in this show, we are trying to also raise awareness of three, non-profit organizations who are doing very well for the community. One is NCIP, People's Medical Care, who provide, medical services for uninsured people or who are underinsured. So they can just go to that facility for $55 visit. So they are, have their clinic in Raleigh. So there are a lot of doctors who are providing their services there. So a lot of non-Indians are using the service, and a lot of Indians don't even know about that. So we are raising the awareness of that clinic, that if you need it, if your parents are visiting, anybody wants to use that clinic, please go and take the services if you need it. Second is our Kiran organization, who is actually doing a very good job supporting all the women who are suffering with domestic violence or any other
Yes.
things which are not going well for them. So that's a great support for women and bring them to life back again. So I think we want to make sure if anybody want to use their services or people want to help donate these organizations, feel free to reach out to them. And the third one is obviously our religious organization HSNC, who is doing the expansion of the mandir, which will be probably good for our future generation, the kids who are going to grow up. We already use so many services in HSNC, the temple. I think we just need to support and build our facility for our future generations as well.
Absolutely.
And then what you asked me, how many supporters are there?
Yeah.
I think it's the list of supporters is very long. See, all these organizations or these shows, they're all community activities, right? So as a community, we are doing very well, and I think I'm expecting that the welcome of Shankar Ehsaan Loy would be amazing, and it will be with a sellout show. So, and all these people who are supporting, let me just give you names: Urban Turban Grill, Kara Modern, Indian Cuisine, Center Point, who is a commercial real estate construction company, D2 Soul, which is an IT company, Adams Howell, the real estate attorneys, Guru Kripa School, who teaches Bharatanatyam, Tony and Manjeet Kaur, Empire Builders, who are residential builders, and then we have our media partners, obviously Radio Naira, and Niva Digital, Moonlight, and Frames by Modoju and Sri Cloud, who are the photographers, hospitality partners, Delta Hotels, then media partners, Ishanya Dance as well, and then we have another friends also who are supporting us, Sam IT Solutions, Bombay Central, Pradeep Sharma, Gupta Psychiatry, and BFG Corp, and 10X team. So the end list is endless, and I think more are joining. So I think they feel that as much as religious activities, swim activities, and all these entertainment keeps you, rejuvenates you.
Yes.
For another level of activities.
Yeah, I think music has that power, to give you that vibe, I would say.
Especially जब शंकर जी गा रहे होंगे.
Exactly. I mean, शंकर जी के कितने hit गाने हैं. Like if you look at मितुआ song, and then I think My Name Is Khan में भी उन्होंने गाया था तेरे नैना. That is also कल होना हो.
गला गुड़िया.
And that Breathless song जो उन्होंने गाया था.
Breathless song, माँ का गाना जो तारे ज़मीं पर का गाना है.
Oh my God, that's so amazing song. Yes, of course. वो तो रुला देता है.
हंसाने वाले गाने भी है. वो गला गुड़िया जो है
Yes.
गाना दिल धड़कने दो मूवी का है.
हाँ.
तो अगर आपको हंसना है, आपको डांस करना है, आपको इमोशनल होना है, आई थिंक दिस इज द प्लेस. बाय योर टिकट्स. आई थिंक दे आर सम फ्यू टिकट्स आई स्टिल हैव लेफ्ट, सो फील फ्री टू जॉइन अस. एंड अगर आप नहीं पहुंच पा रहे, अपने दोस्तों को बताओ. एक्सपीरियंसेस जितना कैप्चर कर लो उतना बेटर है. आई थिंक आपने शान का अटेंड किया, तो आई डोंट थिंक यू विल फॉरगेट दैट फॉर नेक्स्ट 20-25 years until unless you see it again.
I mean, what an energy. Like शान का इवेंट अभी भी मुझे याद है, the energy which he had from the beginning till the end.
Yes.
Like he had the same energy. He was dancing, he was singing, he was talking to everybody, keeping engaged. Like everyone was so engaged.
Absolutely.
That was so magical था बहुत.
13 years ago when Shankar ji came, he was on the stage for 3 hours and 45 minutes.
Wow.
He won't leave the stage. right? And the singers, and he supported the musicians, and he was right there. He was just enjoying the energy of the audience, and I think those people are now 13 years more experienced. So
More songs in their credits.
more songs in the credits. So I would invite everybody to come and just mark the date. If you're not in town, I can understand the excuse. If you are in town, I think the only place to be is the Raleigh Memorial Auditorium on May 3rd.
Definitely, and I think it's on Sunday. And importantly about your event, what I have observed, and I think a lot of people have noticed that you start the show on time. That's the beauty of the concerts which you do.
हमें अपनी ऑडियंस की वेट करनी पड़ती है. सो शान साहब खड़े थे, हम शो करते हैं, हमें 10 मिनट वेट करना पड़ा, हम ऑडियंस की वेट कर रहे थे अंदर आ जाए. सो एंड सेम थिंग हैपेंड इन शबाना आज़मी टू.
Yeah.
बट आप टाइम पे आइए.
That was so mesmerizing. I mean, Shabana Azmi's show was mesmerizing. Even though it like play है, बहुत लोगों ने सोचा ये सिर्फ प्ले होगा, बोरिंग होगा, लेकिन जो लोग आए थे वहाँ पे, for them it was an experience.
वो कहते बहुत छोटा है. क्योंकि वो इतने एनग्रॉस हो गए लोग, तो उनको इट फेल्ट दैट अभी तो बैठे थे,
Yeah,
खत्म भी हो गया.
absolutely.
So it was I think and she knows her craft. She was amazing, and I think we are up for treat on May 3rd again with Shankar Ehsaan Loy. I think I can't say enough. If you are in town, you should be there. And if you love music, this will be a meditative experience.
I think with Shan, Ehsaan and Loy, it will be a triple dhamaka.
अब देखो,
which
अब
is
देखो,
going
अब
to
आपके
happen.
साथ क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि शान को इतना मजा आया तो आपने शंकर को भी शान बना दिया, right?
Oh yeah, Shankar. I'm so sorry.
Right?
Shankar, Ehsaan and
No,
Loy.
that's
yes.
perfectly okay. That's what experience is
Yeah, that's
called.
what experience. I'm still like remember the show which happened, and अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ये शो कैसा होगा जब 3 लोग स्टेज पे होंगे. So I'm just thinking like how it's gonna be, like it will be even triple धमाका हो जाएगा.
नहीं, और people are lost right now because they are saying हमें वो शंकर महाजन के शो पे जाना है. मैं कहनी अरविंद महाजन शो करा रहा है, शंकर महादेव बना रहे हैं.
Oh, that's good one.
So again, please आइए May 3rd, Shankar Mahadevan, Ehsaan Murani and Loy Mendoza.
Yeah.
They will be there to entertain you on May 3rd.
Yes.
Raleigh Memorial Auditorium. Tickets are available on ticketmaster.com. You can always text our phone number 571-241-6285. आप वैष्णो जी को पूछिए, वो आपको पहुंचा देंगी टिकट्स कहाँ मिलेंगी.
For sure, yeah.
रास्ता आपको मिल जाएगा, आप बस चाह करिए.
बस आपका दिल चाहना है, and you will be at दिल चाहता है. with
Exactly.
Shankar, Ehsaan and Loy.
That was the punchline. वैष्णवी दिल चाहता है.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much, Arvind ji.
Thank you
I
so
think,
much.
This is a very good information which we got for Sunday.
Yes.
On
और
May
कल
3rd.
हो ना हो,
Yeah.
अभी ग्रैब कर लो.
Wow. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Arvind ji. Thank you for being on the show.
And thank you to all the supporters, and thank you Radio Naira, and thank you Vaishnavi for inviting me. And by the way, we will let your listeners know that we might be able to get Shankar ji on the Radio Naira.
Yeah,
to
I forgot
speak
to
about-
ask this. Definitely he should be, at Radio Naira studio and talk more about the event and everything.
His first show is starting in US actually this Friday. So April 10th is of his first show, and we will be the second last show before he goes back to India. So he's performing in 12 cities in America.
Wow, that's wonderful.
All right.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much again. We will see everybody there.
Thank you, Arvind ji. Thank you.